try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing.
वरती साप वगैरे असतात त्यामुळे फक्त मी जातो तुम्ही नका पाहू शकता आपण आता मेन वॉटरफॉलला जाणार आहोत जो मेन वॉटरफॉल आहे त्याच्या खाली आपण जाणार आहोत
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead. Everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at the ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, unlikely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, I've jumping off and risking things.
तर तुम्ही सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. हे बघा अजून मजा करतायत तिथे. खरं तर रोहामध्ये हा खूप प्रसिद्ध धबधबा, कारण हा खूप सुंदर धबधबा आहे आणि रोहाच्या अगदी जवळ आहे. आणि हा अजून काही लोकांना माहिती नसल्यामुळे मित्रांनो ही व्हिडिओ शेअर नक्की करा, कारण रोहाच्या आसपास जे मित्र असतील ना त्यांना वॉटरफॉलला फिरायला जायचं असेल त्यांना नक्कीच सजेस्ट करा हा धबधबा. खरंच खूप मजा आली. विसरू नका सबस्क्राईब करायला. हां खूप मजा आली यार. भारी धबधबा आहे रोहामध्ये. आणि मित्रांनो खरंच तुमचा आभार मानावं तितकं कमीच. खरोखर तुम्ही मला सपोर्ट केला आणि फायनली आपले 1K सबस्क्रायबर कंप्लीट केले. पोहण्याची मजा घेतली तुम्ही, पोहण्याची मजा व्हिडिओ बघून घेतली आणि सबस्क्राईब केलं त्याबद्दल खूप खूप धन्यवाद.